Hello, my rock stars. Welcome to our another episode of Career Revival Talks. And I'm your host, Neha Seth, and I'm your career coach. This podcast is going to help you level up your mindset, your career, your money blueprint. So, today's episode is all about a life changing event which I recently attended, Success GAN 2025, at Mumbai's Geo Convention Center. And I met very good mentors, actually the biggest mentors in the world: Siddharth Rajshekhar, Pooja Puneet, Suren, Jack Canfield, Marisa P, Savan Kapoor, and Ritu Biani, Boman Irani, the actor, Dr. Villumani, and Thaddeus Lawrence. So the event was actually pure fire. Okay, so it was so authentic. Everyone shared a lot of insights from AI and business strategy, manifestation, money mindset, personal transformations. And I walked away with very powerful lessons that I can't wait to share with you. So, if you are ready to transform your mindset, your career, and your life, let's go deeper into this. So, segment one was, let me talk about the Siddharth Rajshekhar, what he told. He spoke on AI and the future AI. Siddharth actually is a digital coaching expert. He's a digital coach, and he gave an insane session on AI, how it is changing everything. He shared the six stages of AI evolution, how we can leverage AI to create content, to automate our business. He also told us we can create music, we can create e-commerce website in a click of seconds, and he actually showed it. And he says that six stages of AI are: number one is the basic text, which is simple AI generated text responses. Now number two stage of AI is chatbots, where the conversations are so automated. Then he told about the reasoners, that AI that understand the context. And number fourth is agent AI, which is taking action. And then he said innovators is another stage where AI will create the original ideas. And guess what? He even demonstrated how to create a song using AI. So we were so awe kind of thing, that imagine, AI taking all your ideas, and he just created the Success GAN song just in click of seconds. I mean, through AI he created the lyrics, and then he put it on our app, and that app generated a music instantly, that too so quick. Okay, so that turning full-fledged song with lyrics into melody, and it was like the future is here. AI has taken a lot of game now. So it is not a enemy. AI is not an enemy. It is actually a superpower if you learn how to use it. So adapt it so that you don't get too left behind. Then I will tell you about Pooja Puneet's session. So she took session on lovely three levels of life. Like she told us all about the understanding where we are in life, how to break free from the limitations. And she told about the three levels. The number one is the basement level, which is the victim cage. This is where you feel stuck. You blame, you complain, you blame the circumstances, you feel that powerless. And you see that I can't change because the market is bad, I don't get the job because job market is bad. Then number two level, she talked about the hustlers hub, the growth zone. And she started telling about that you must take the responsibility, push yourself to succeed. And then she gave that example that you can work hard, you can improve your skills, you can network. And then she very quickly told us that just press the elevator button, that is the power of patience, and go to the divine penthouse. So she just made us visualize all the divine penthouse. And she told us that that is the flow state. Here you can trust the universe, align with your purpose, work with ease, and the success flows naturally. And success can be so easy when you get take inspired action, when you attract the right opportunities. And she also gave three powerful mantras. In fact, she started with these three powerful mantras: let them be, let it go, let it flow. So it was so powerful. Okay, so stop holding your negativity or resentment, trust the process, take action, flow with life. These all are were the uh, takeaways from her session. And then I will tell you about the another host, another speaker, who she was Marisa Peer, and she talked about the 7 M's of manifestation. Marisa Peer was actually a showstopper. You know, she looked like very old. Then I googled her. She is 67 years old, and she was full of energy and full of confidence. She talked about how manifestation is not a magic, it is a science. And she told 7 M's to become a master manifester. She said that first mindset. So first of all, she says that believe you deserve it. And then she said bring on mastery, so get better at what you do. And then number 3 M she gave is message, so speak your truth. And then number 4 is marketing. Definitely she shared that you need to share your value, what you bring to the table. And number 5, motivation, so keep taking action that will motivate you internally. And then sixth M she shared is management, control your habits, control your time and everything. Don't rely on the cheap dopamine, scrolling and everything. And then seventh M she shared is manifesting. So align all your thoughts, all your actions, and all your emotions, and then manifest. And she said something very powerful: you don't get what you want, you get what you believe you deserve. So she said that write, I'm worthy, write it wherever you can, maybe on a mirror. So she said that stand in the front of the mirror or and say, I'm worthy of success, I deserve wealth. And she said that you should say in front of the mirror that my dreams are possible. And it was again very powerful. Manifestation starts with your self-worth. So whenever we raise our self-worth, your life will change. So that's the biggest takeaway from her session. Then I can also tell you that whatever I personally realized from this session, Success GAN 2025, this event was actually a wake up call. Being in the room with visionaries, with thought leaders, and with the change makers made me realize actually AI is the future. And if you're not learning about it, you are failing behind. And then your mindset control your success, whether it's money, whether it's career, whether it's relationship. Taking action is the only way forward. Waiting, worrying, and overthinking actually won't get you anywhere. And then surround yourself with growth minded people. Like your environment shapes you. That's what I think. And when Puja Puneet said, let it go, let it flow, trust the journey, stop forcing things, and you will see that success is coming to you very naturally. Okay. So now that I've shared best insights from my Success GAN 2025, here what you can do today is improve your money mindset. Believe that you deserve abundance. Okay. And start using AI if you are not using it now, because it is evolving so fast. Even if it's just one tool, just explore it daily. Do some 10 minutes, spare some 10 minutes from every day to learn AI. And then shift from hustler's hub to the divine penthouse. Flow, don't force. Okay. And they take daily action, because success comes to those who move forward. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just go with the flow and do that action every day. And then I will tell you that manifest with confidence. So write it down, scribble on paper, write it down, whatever you want to manifest, whatever you want to see yourself. Bring your emotions on the paper, what do you want to feel. Write 3 emotions every day. Speak what you want in your life, what you want, where you want to see yourself. So if you are ready to level up, to the divine penthouse, then you should be doing all the stuff, developing new habits, 20 minutes exercise, 20 minutes meditation, and 20 minutes reading. Maybe if you don't want to read anything, go to listen some podcast. And if you find value in this episode, DM me success, and or comment below the success for more powerful insights. And don't forget to share, subscribe for this channel, because I am going to share all what I have, so that you get a career growth, so that you shift your mindset and you get that financial freedom. Until next time, remember, success is a choice. Your time is now. Thank you.